Everyone, please sit comfortably. Your body should be very comfortable, totally in relaxed posture. Just relax for a while. Let's relax for a while. Totally relax. Yesterday we did train journey. Today also we are going to do train journey. Take a comfortable posture where if you rest, you will not get disturbed. Get comfortable as you can now and anytime along the way of your train journey. You need to reposition yourself to get even more pleasant sleep. You can do so. Any worries accumulated, take a deep breath and breathe out. Begin to let go of all tension you built throughout the day. Any worries you accumulated seem to lose their power and intensity as you settle down for the night. Feel cozy now. Allow your breath to begin to slow down. With each breath you take, your body goes into deeper relaxation. A nice full breath in and slowly exhale, letting your breath return to normal. Just observe your mind and how it is thinking of various things about your life and your day. Observe now. Moments flash in your mind. You may be able to hear sounds with your thoughts as you present themselves. Bring into your imagination that you are walking towards a long train that is parked along the countryside. The engine of the train is stopped on an old station in the middle of nowhere, and the train extends into the horizon. You are walking several sections back, and you notice an open wagon. You see the workers getting ready to depart, and steam is blowing out from the engine. You hop on the open wagon and find it is filled with fresh hay. You hear the train horn blowing and the seconds of distant voices. calling, all aboard, all aboard. You lay down in the hay and it is perfectly comfortable. You are positioned in a way that you are gazing out the open door into nature. As you sit back, waiting for the train to begin to roll, you look around the wagon and notice all the details. The weather is perfectly mild and soothing. Perhaps you can see the smell of the hay and the countryside breeze. Notice everything, whatever you can see. You feel slight vibrations as the train powers up, and you can hear its mighty engine hissing as it builds enough power to pull the massive weight. Soothing station bells begin to ring. Tring, 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 alerting that the train is leaving the station. The wagon begins to roll very slowly, and you take a deep breath of relief because you know you are in for a long, relaxing ride. The vibrations under you get stronger because the train is increasing in speed. You can hear the relaxing sounds of the wheels turning along the track. The station bells get louder as your wagon passes by this small station in the middle of nowhere. And then they pass by, and the ringing sounds get fainter in the distance until you control you can hear the ringing sounds. The vibrations under you are strong and yet they are soothing because you know you are going for a journey. They even out into a relaxing hum as the train has reached a safe and steady speed for a long journey. As you gaze outside, it is still light, but it will be sunset very soon. You can see out both sides of this train car, making for the most beautiful views you have ever seen. You see the ground close to you, passing by very quickly, and the trees nearby passing a little slower, and in the distance, something rolling mountains are moving by ever slowly as you ride. Look out into this nature and just really enjoy its beauty. Enjoy the beauty of the nature. Look outside. The sun is beginning to meet the horizon, setting behind a soft rolling mountain range in the distance. The colors that this sunset begins to create for you are breathtaking. The pink and yellows of the sky fade into the bright blue, then into the deep blue of the night sky, inching in. The gentle mountain range gives off greens and blues and grays also. The sundown is reflecting colors of purple mixed with oranges now as it dips below the mountains. Meadows of warm golden colors are passing by the train, and every now and then an old giant oak tree passes you by, standing proudly in the sprawling fields of gold. This view is mesmerizing, and you are not thinking about anything other than beauty you are witnessing. You are getting more and more relaxed and feeling grateful for these beautiful moments in the twilight upon this sleepy train. You are very comfortable and ready to rest into night sleep. The aura of the sun is slowly fading away, and the night sky is chasing away the sunset. Your eyes are becoming heavy with sleep as you watch the day turn to darkness. The wide meadows have passed by, and the train is entering a forest. The weather cools just a bit, and you can smell the trees as they close into dark settled in, yet there is crisp moonlight peeking through the trees as they pass by. The hum of the train are very soothing to you, making you even more sleepy and sleepy with your eyes closed. Your eyes are closed and you are about to sleep. The aura of the sun is slowly fading away, The night sky is chasing away the sunset. Your eyes are becoming heavy with sleep as you watch the day turns into darkness. Now the train is entering into the forest. The weather cools just a bit, and you can smell the trees as they close in around the train. Dark has settled in, yet there is crisp moonlight peeking through the trees as they pass by. Nighttime is my time to fully rest and rejuvenate. A restful night's sleep is approaching, and I'm just along for the ride. I have done all that I need to do today. Right now, I don't have to do anything but sleep. I breathe peacefully and easily, relaxing my mind and body. Sleep comes over me naturally and willingly as I become more relaxed and sleepy. This gives my body the time to heal. I know how good this is for me right now. Deep and restful sleep is possible every night when I let go all worries, tension, and stress. My breath is steady and slow, carrying me into a long night's sleep. As I become sleepier and sleepier, my brain slows, yet my creativity increases. This creative state is void of any of my worries and fears. It is completely open to showing me how to achieve my goals and attain my desire. I am grateful for the day that was well lived, and now it has become night. Now it's time to dream. I embrace rest as one of nature's natural healing medicines. My body feels very heavy and calm. My muscles are completely relaxed, and any remaining tension completely has faded. My mind is quiet and clear. I enjoy walking in my dreams. I enjoy waking up refreshed and rejuvenated after a marvelous sleep. I sleep well each and every night. Nothing disturbs me when I sleep. The more rest I get, the more excellent tomorrow will be. I thank my body for allowing this time of rest and relaxation. I thank my mind for letting go of worries and opening to resourcefulness through dreaming. Dreaming and sleeping allow for great vision to take place in my mind. I release all my thoughts from the day. I release any tension accumulated from the day. I awaken refreshed and happy when I have got the perfect amount of sleep which I need. I am grateful for my beautiful bed and pillow that support me. I am calm and full of peace. Falling asleep is effortless for me. I know that the words I say and things I think come into action. I say with confidence every day that I sleep easily and restfully. Each night when I lay down on my soft pillow, I am greeted by sleep, and I welcome this sensation. I sleep so soundly that my body and mind are completely refreshed and ready to accomplish anything. I look forward to doing anything. I look forward to doing all the little things I like to do before getting into bed. I turn off the lights before going to bed because darkness releases melatonin. The darkness releases melatonin in my body. Falling asleep happens quickly without any effort. Now, just drift and float, not thinking about anything in particular. Just let things come and go as things always do. Sleep right now. The train is taking along the ride and to a new and beautiful destination when you arise tomorrow, when you wake up tomorrow. So enjoy, my friends, this train journey and allow my voice to completely fade away. Just as sleepy, train rolls along through the wilderness. Thank you, friends, and have a good night.